Avram Gutierrez, Chorus 2. Cadet Major Marco Angelo Atienza, Chorus 3. Cadet Major Ireland Tricia San Juan, Chorus 4. Cadet Major Rona Jane San Esteban, Chorus 5. Major Leader, Cadet Captain Jane Lane Nubra. Eagles Leader, Cadet Captain Choi Morisiti Alday. First Company Commander, Cadet Captain Gian Matthew Aguirre. Company Cadet First Lieutenant Jansel Malo. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Justin Mel Violeno. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Remark Vasquez. Company Commanders, Cadet Captain Angelica Rioso. Company Cadet First Lieutenant Angelica Tatu. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Captain Sabaliege. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Angel Grace Alade. Happy contingent. Company Commander, Category 2, 1-8. Battalion Commander, Cadet Major Lorna John Francisco. Cadet Captain Dayan Naldosa, S1. Cadet Captain Ansari Escobar, Battalion S2. Cadet Captain Sarah K. Jimenez, S3. Company Commander, Cadet Captain Hazel C. Joy Pato. Company EXO, Cadet President Francis Chara Novia. Cadet Leader, Cadet Sergeant State Mulalin. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Christian Lucia. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Anika Rico. Safety Facilitator, Mr. Elpidio Zagara. Mapi Contingent, Troop Commander, Jefferson Nabasola. Tricia Monique Durante, Troop S1. Justin Ford San Buenaventura, Troop S2. Marujo Johnny Samantha Ogalvan, S3. Christian Abensinya, Chorus 4. Alpha Company Commander R.J. Tarum. Company EXO, Chester Bobis. Gideon Better, Nelson Gutierrez. First Platoon Leader Boys, Jasper Gia. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Angel Mingaladin. Bravo Company Commander, Christian Joy Albay. Company EXO, Rosette Malino. Gideon Better, Glenn Lopez Mendoza. First Platoon Leader Boys, Harold Ken Formani Gones. Second Platoon Leader, Cheira Pay Opi Maria. Charlie Company Commander, Samantha Dundon. Company EXO, Joanna Marie Rosa. Gideon Better, Rachel Bahet. First Platoon Leader Girls, Michael Bautista. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Andrew Francis Servidad. Mapi Coordinator, Miss Jameline Imperio and Mrs. Karen Joy Reyes, as well as Mrs. Pearly de Los Angeles. Major Trainer, Mr. Ruel Huerta. Sales Trainer, Mr. Arman Lagatos. Safety Facilitator, Mr. Elpidio Zagara. Exclusive Principal, Sister Paz R. Rapira Ubi. Ladies and gentlemen, there was entry number 7. Thank you very much. Entry number 7, that was Colegio del Santísimo Rosario. Coming up next is entry number 8, nagahali sa Bahay Libmanan Camarines Sur, Bahay Provincial High School, Sayri Unit, headed by the Corps Commander Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Roel Rojas, Cadet Major